Our state is already facing issues because of Donald Trump. Our unemployment is the highest in the nation. Tourism is down, gaming is down, and hotel occupancy fell 16%. We know what that means. It means impact to our workers. Housing prices are up. Grocery prices are up. Cost of living is up. Donald Trump promised that he was going to focus on lowering costs. Yet his policies are doing the direct opposite. This big ugly law strips health care from over 110,000 Nevadans. Service workers who get so much temporary relief from taxes on tips will have to spend much more on the cost because of this bill.
There's so many things in here that hurt us. The food stamps program. We want children to go to school hungry so they can't learn. They don't seem to care.
And this big ugly bill that Congress just passed, a tax credit for tip earners and much needed relief for workers, doesn't address many things, doesn't address automatic gratuities. The windfall tax cuts for billionaires, they're permanent. We're going to have to closely watch the U.S. Treasury as they develop the regs for the new tax policy and make sure it really benefits working class folks as they promise. Meanwhile, working families are paying sky-high car and home insurance premiums, and campaign promises of relief, they've been forgotten. Instead, this administration is focusing on arresting dishwashers and landscapers and attacking our strongest international allies and customers with wild tariffs and threats of annexation. Here in Nevada, the Trump slump has arrived in Las Vegas, and it is affecting our jobs. We've all worked so hard to rebuild this economy after COVID, we cannot afford to let reckless policies destroy it. Working families deserve better.
When it comes to this no tax on tips, it's affected me. I like to plan for the future, and I can't really do that. We're planning on getting married, starting a family. We would like to buy a house, but should I buy a house? If it's going to be a recession, am I going to lose that house? And when it comes to this big ugly bill, that's not what he campaigned, but when I hear our local politicians that are currently fighting for what's right, I feel a lot more comfort knowing that I'm not in this fight alone.